In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this really cool ninja star. It's double-sided, and it's got a really cool pattern to it. And yeah, and this is a variation of the original double-sided ninja star. And how cool is this? So I'm going to show you how to fold this. So for this model, you need a square sheet of paper, and we're going to split this in half. And this is 6 by 6 inches that I'm using. And yeah, here's another one I made. This one was from foil. And at a regular commie, you'll get one like this. Okay. Oh, by the way, I do want to say this model, it doesn't fly too well because of the pockets. But it does fly okay, though. And what's cool about it is that if you fold it from smaller paper and thicker paper, is that if you hold it like this and blow, oops, it'll spin like that. How awesome. Alright, I know you guys want to learn this, so let's get started. So, we're going to split this in half. So, fold in half. And let's reverse the crease too. Okay, now, make a tear on the top, and place it down on the table, and separate your hands. And there you go, there's your 2 halves. And now, we're going to use these 2 pieces to make modules. So, here we go. So, put one on the side, and we're going to begin with the white side facing up, and we're going to fold in half. Okay, unfold. Now, if you tore the paper in half, rotate it like this so the rough edge is facing you, and fold that rough edge to the center. So that way it hides it. The rough edge is hidden. Okay, and then now fold up like this. And let's do the same thing with this one here. So, white side facing up, and fold in half. And then fold the rough edge to the center if you tore it in half. Okay, and fold up like this. Alright, now turn over, and then fold in half. Alright, and repeat on this one. Okay, now orient them so that the raw edge is on top and the folded edge is on the bottom. Make sure it's on both of them. And we're going to take this raw edge and fold it to the center crease. Alright, now take this edge and fold it to the center. Okay, now on this one, it's going to be a mirror image. So this time we're going to take this folded edge and fold it to the center. Like this. And now take this edge and fold it to here. Alright, now turn over. And now we're going to take this corner and fold it to that point. And do it on all layers too. Alright, and repeat on this side. So we're going to take this corner and fold it to there. Alright, and fold this up as far as it goes. And same here too. And there's one module. Now, let's finish this one. So, take this corner and fold it to here. Yeah, and be careful when you fold these corners in. You want to make sure you're doing it the right way. Because if you fold the other corner in, it's not going to look right like this. So, fold it like this. And that's what it looks like. Okay, and repeat on this side. Alright, and then now fold this up and this down. Like this. Alright, and now it's time to put them together. So it's just like the Ninja Star. So you just overlap one like this. Okay, and then make sure everything aligns. And now fold this in and stick it into the pocket like this. And then this one goes into there like that. And then just kind of adjust it if it's kind of out of place. I'm trying to fix mine up here. Got kind of crooked. There we go, I think I got it. Alright, and turn over, and same here. So, put it into the pocket. And this one. Alright, and I'll just flatten everything out. And you have completed your Origami Ninja Star. So yeah, there it is, just that easy. But yeah, I think it's a really cool model. It's really cool looking. And it does fly a little bit, but I think the original double-sided Ninja Star flies better. This one doesn't fly the best because it's probably because it's got all these pockets here. It's not really meant to fly. I mean, it does fly a little bit. But yeah, it's just a really cool looking model. So yeah, and maybe give it a try out of foil too, and you'll get a star like this. So yeah, there you have it. Alright, well, hope you guys were able to follow this video and enjoyed making this Origami Ninja Star. And make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Alright, bye-bye.